Arsnya hadian ke jingjia syasiat yap arpon rengot ki brio ha Pahalgam Jammu and Kashmir da ka kenhon ki Lehnoh Lashkar-e-Taiba kabala pinsu jer ya ka perthai borok kawai Menteri rang ba kari India u Narendra Modi ha bakran ha jingalang pajba Madhubani district ke Jela Bihar ha ka arpusa trek yoyong arja arpusan ulaong bagi bedon keti ha kate ke jingsiat dusman bat ki baya sela bat ki kingat ha ka Jingpynshitom ka bakinomla ban Mutdur. Da kabakran har kaktian kabakam niar yaw Modi buun penon kam ulaong bana Bihar ukwa ban ong da kabasyai baka India kan twet bat Kthong yaki Lehnoh bat ki baya sela bat an Kthong yaki syabakut ke partai. Habakran ha kajia lang rakhi ya kasngi National Panchayati Raj Modi nalor ke jingkran halor ki skim jingirap na sarkar NDA ulaong bagi kam Lehnoh kinomla ban penpra ya kari India bat syem baga jing thombor ki Lehnoh ha Pahalgam kadehi ka kam ki khauput.
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.